Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Vegetables are often held as essential components of a healthy diet, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, not all vegetables are created equal when it comes to health benefits. Some vegetables, particularly when consumed in excess or prepared in unhealthy ways, can potentially increase the risk of stroke. Understanding these risks can help you make better dietary choices. In this video, we will explore 4 vegetables that, under certain conditions, may contribute to an increased risk of stroke. 1. Potatoes. Potatoes, a staple in many diets around the world, are versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways. However, their high glycemic index means they can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Frequent consumption of high GI foods has been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, including stroke. When potatoes are fried, as in the case of French fries or potato chips, they absorb a significant amount of unhealthy fats, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque in arteries. This buildup can restrict blood flow and increase the likelihood of a stroke. 2. Spinach. Spinach is generally considered a superfood due to its high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, spinach is also high in oxalates, which can lead to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Kidney stones can cause a variety of health issues, including increased blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for a stroke. Additionally, spinach contains high levels of vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications. For those on such medications, consuming large amounts of spinach can lead to improper blood clotting, increasing the risk of stroke. 3. Canned vegetables. While canned vegetables are convenient and have a longer shelf life than fresh ones, they often contain high levels of sodium. Excessive sodium intake is a well-known risk factor for hypertension, high blood pressure, which is a leading cause of stroke. The process of canning also often involves the addition of preservatives and other chemicals, which can have adverse health effects over time. Choosing fresh or frozen vegetables without added salt is a healthier alternative that can help reduce the risk of stroke. 4. Corn. Corn, particularly when consumed as part of processed foods like corn chips, popcorn with added salt and butter, and corn syrup, can be detrimental to cardiovascular health. These products often contain high levels of sodium and unhealthy fats, which can lead to hypertension and increased cholesterol levels. Additionally, genetically modified corn, which is prevalent in many diets, has been linked to various health concerns, including inflammation and metabolic issues. These conditions can increase the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases and subsequently stroke. While vegetables are an essential part of a balanced diet, it is crucial to be mindful of how they are prepared and consumed. Opt for fresh, minimally processed vegetables and pay attention to preparation methods to ensure that your diet supports your long-term well-being. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.